Traders, how you guys doing? David with Alexander Trading Investment Group. Finally putting a face to the voice you guys have heard throughout my videos. I just wanted to do a quick video to introduce myself and talk about why I decided to do a YouTube channel. My channel is strictly to journal my journey as a trader. I started trading about 6.5 years ago, back in 2018. And back then, everyone talked about Bitcoin and crypto. Now, I am not a cryptos trader, but it did spark my interest, trying to figure out what is the stock market and how I could potentially make money as a trader in the stock market. I've done pretty much everything you could think of at the beginning, pretty much like I'm sure a lot of you guys are looking at my video may have done. I've read a bunch of books. I have done Discords. I've taken courses. I've looked at other YouTube channels, and none of that stuff has ever worked. Actually, my charts at the beginning may have looked something like what you see on the screen now, where it was just plain candlesticks, trend lines, indicators, RSI, stochastics, and so much crazy mess that it looked very confusing, and it was very confusing. Now my charts over the course of my journey look more something like this, where you see market profile, order flow, a nice neat way of looking at the information and providing a lot more information than a plain candlestick would. My journey has been a great one over these past 6.5 years. And again, the point of my YouTube channel is to journal that in hopes that I am teaching and helping other people become more consistent and profitable in the market. It's not easy, and it's not something that you're going to learn in a month or two or even 6. It's definitely a journey, and if you're willing to take the journey and take the ride, you would definitely become successful as a trader. I'm going to do something new on my channel in the next couple of days. I'm going to add a new playlist, and I'm going to start from the very beginning, foundational information. As you guys may have seen in my videos, I talk more advanced. You may have heard things like new money's coming in to sell or new money's coming in to buy up. You may have heard me say things like POC, single print, value high, value low. All of that is more advanced information, more advanced terminologies. But I am going to start from the beginning. We're going to talk more about candlesticks. We're going to talk more about structural. We're going to talk about what is the stock market. A lot of YouTube channels and retail traders, they skip that part. And I think that's very important to know what it is. Everyone wants to make money in the market, but no one really knows what it is and how to actually make money consistently and be profitable. So as always, like I end all of my videos, I hope you guys find value in my videos. I hope you learn something new. And if you do like it and you do find value, please like, subscribe, hit that notification button. I try to do 3 or 4 videos a week, something new. I record myself trading and also want to talk about important things, foundational things, market profile, order flow, things that are definitely will help you trade in the market. As always, thank you so much for supporting my channel, and I'll talk to y'all soon.